In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an evaluation form using Google Forms. This is a simple and effective way to gather feedback, whether it's for a class, an event, or any other type of assessment you need to conduct. Using Google Forms is not only user-friendly, but also provides easy ways to collect and analyze the data you gather. To start off, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in "How to make an evaluation form in Google Forms" and hit enter. Once you're in the Google search results, click on the link that guides you to creating forms or directly go to Google Forms if you're familiar with it to begin the process. Now that you're on the Google Forms homepage, you should see a blank form. This is your canvas to create your evaluation form. Start by clicking on the title box at the top and give your form a descriptive title. This helps not only you, but also your participants understand the purpose of the evaluation. You can add a form description below the title if you feel it's necessary to provide more context about what the form will be assessing. Next, it's time to add questions. Google Forms makes it easy with its user-friendly interface. Click on the plus icon to add your first question. Depending on what you are evaluating, choose the question type that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. For example, if you need specific feedback, short answer or paragraph options might be best. On the other hand, if you're looking for more quantitative feedback, multiple choice or scales might be more suitable. While adding questions, make sure to clearly phrase them so that the respondents know exactly what you're asking. Now, you can also add sections to your form if you want to organize it into different parts. Simply click on the Add Section icon, and this will help break down the form into digestible segments for the respondents. Sections can be particularly useful if your evaluation covers multiple topics or areas. It's also a great way to keep longer forms organized and less overwhelming for the participants. Once your questions are in place, take a moment to review your form. You want to ensure everything is clear, concise, and easy to follow. You can preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top to see what your respondents will experience. This gives you the chance to experience the flow of the form and make any necessary adjustments. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to send out your evaluation form. Simply click the Send button at the top right and choose how you'd like to distribute it. You can email it directly, share the link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it. Your evaluation form is ready to gather valuable feedback. This straightforward process ensures that you can create professional forms that effectively capture the insights you need. Thank you for joining today, and happy form building.